Alright, so let me paint the picture for you. It's a icy day out and you don't know your own strength and you break the handle off of one of these T-handle door box latches. But you don't want to tell your employer or your wife, heaven forbid, because she'll say, oh crap, you're breaking crap again. And that's not cool. So best thing to do is get all your tools ready. So in this case, new rivets, a new latch, rivet gun, and a cutoff wheel. And we're gonna get this camera to stay up, hopefully. There we go, that should work. Something like that there. And you'll remove the pieces. Alright. Now we might need the hammer to tap that out because it's been in there for a while, but I'll give it a good kick. There we go. Now, you just grab your new piece. And figure out which way it goes to start with. Slide her into place. Correction, you go get a drill bit because all of these holes are filled with corrosion and it doesn't want to, the new rivets don't pop in very nicely. So we're gonna go get a drill bit and clean this up real quick. All right, we got our handy dandy drill. Unlevel base here. Alright. And now we're going to simply put the rivets in and lock her down. Alright, we have cleaned out our holes and now we're going to put some rivets in. I got one started because it's a pretty complex task to hold this camera and send these rivets home. So there we go, that should work. All right. And last one. Alright, so now that we've installed this, we notice it's got some play in it. Now, one way to fix the play in it is to play with these locking nuts, the adjustment nuts, and we're going to back them off and tighten it up. So definitely easier if you use two hands. We're gonna make this work. Alright, I think we got her loosened up now. We had a pretty good amount of play there, so I'll back it off nearly all the way. And then we just tighten this one up on it, and that should tighten the door up against the jamb. So let's have a look at how that works out and adjust as necessary. But these things are pretty simple, and by doing it on your own, yeah, I like that. By doing this on your own, you no longer have to tell anybody that you broke something, which, depending on, you know, what your track record is with these sorts of things, you may not want to be telling your boss that you broke another thing, because that could be another write-up. So, that being said, now we just got to go and get some salt packed onto this so it looks dirty, kind of like that one there, and no one will ever know. And problem averted. Plus it works now.